Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. And today I created this very cool looking effect in UE5 using a module fade over time. This looks cool. You can use it for lots of things like a grass for instance. And let's start this tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. So I have this folder fade and the effect I'm going to make today. I have already created similar effect but with a different process. So I think if you will search interactive grass, this type of thing, so this character is going through this grass and this grass is interacting with this character. This is similar type of 28 minutes tutorial you can watch. So we will figure out the new module in UE5. Actually, the module is old. It was already there in UE4, but first time I'm making tutorial on this module. So let's say you have a new level first, and I will also save this in my fade folder. Okay. Then you have Niagara and FX. And, and the basic material, M color. And I'll take just the particle color. And here I don't need a sprite. I will use a mesh renderer, and that would be a cube. And remove all these. I need location, and I will use